Oh, Pibbles. Farmer phoned me up. He says, should we just fertilise that field? He said, gone over to the Harrows. He said, there's all moles popping up. Can you nip up and have a look? I said, aye, alright. That's what I do here. I do the moles for him here as well. So before anyone says, what are you doing out? Necessary job. Plus I haven't been out of the house for 2 days. But anyway, yeah, so I'll come up. Well, a bit of a mole workings here and some over there. A couple over there, so I shall have a bit of a mooch and see. Maybe we can get one on film. One never knows, does one? I've got a fucking good idea. But anyway, I hope everyone had a nice Easter. Pretty sure I'll repeat myself throughout the for fuck's sake, throughout the video. I hope you're all safe. Dodgy shit. I'll tell you what I did see the other day. Soil on my glasses. What I did see the other day. Barber, the company that make the jackets, you know, the wax jackets and that, making personal protective equipment for the, I think it was North East hospitals. I'm not so sure, South Shields, something like that. Anyway, so yeah, British company making some personal protective equipment for the nurses, doctors and nurses, etc. I'm pretty sure they're selling them to them. They might have donated them, I don't know, I never got that far. But yeah, British company doing the job. This is what we want. So, not that I'm sponsored by or affiliated with in whatever, but it's a British company. Everybody knows Barber jackets. I think pretty much everyone watching this would have had a Barber wax jacket at some point. So yeah, if you're going to buy a new jacket or anything this year, you're thinking, oh, I'll have a new shooting jacket for the winter. Go buy yourself a Barber, support them. So yeah, if I need one, I think that's what I'll do, get a decent wax jacket for the winter. So rather than buying all this bloody foreign made muck, don't need any of that nonsense now, do we? No, we don't. Thanks for agreeing with me. Anyway, we shall see if we can get a mole. That'll be fun. Unless you're a fucking mole, obviously. So, that was quite a few pigeons flying, going back into here. I've come after moles, for fuck's sake. No dogs, no nothing, just bimble about. I'll bring the camera and the tripod. I'll have to have the camera a little bit lower in a bit. So, anyway, sorted. Right, on with the hunt. Keep watching, see how we get on. See you in a bit. I think I might have disturbed that fucker. Just tried to clear the top of the hill off. I'm whispering so he doesn't hear me. Trying to clear the top of the hill off a little bit. Just so the shot or the percussion will go through. But, I'll hang on a minute and see if he starts lifting again. Twat, I've been after him for a fucking hour. Ow, fucking kneecap. Oh. Unload me tutor. Get whatchamacallit, where are you? There you are. I've been by this fucking hill. Well, you'll see the footage anyway. I've been by this hill, and he was working on the one next to him at first, and because they're going to start. Well, they fertilised this and they've harrowed it, and obviously the grass is going to get longer now, so they don't want all the soil in it. So necessary job, shift some moles. But anyway, I was watching this hill. Fucking hell, must be over an hour ago. But he was working on the one next to it. Every time it lifted, I say, you've seen the footage by now anyway. But every time it lifted, and I went back to it. Oh God, you get pissing off. But anyway, I'm just having a look at some more hills over there, and as I come back, got by the fence here, I realised that when I left the hill that he was working on, I had a big point on it. As I got back here, I noticed the point had gone, so I knew he'd been working it again. And he was working the next hill down. So there you go. Another moley with the shotgun. Hey! Oh, fuck. Cartridge up. Yeah, so shove them back down the hole, fill the hole in, and then it'll start rotting down there. Then it'll obviously stink all the tunnels out. So puts off any other moles coming back for a while. First one I've had like that for ages. But hey ho, guess we've got one anyway. Looking at more hills over there. If you wonder why you're on an angle like that, I've got a I haven't extended the tripod fully because I've been carrying it around with me trying to shoot or film the molehills. But fuck now. Ah well, that was good anyway, wasn't it? Well, we'll see how many. If you watch it, give us a thumbs up because the last mole video I think it's had over 40,000 views, but it's got a couple hundred thumbs down. It's got more thumbs up, like, but they had a bit of an anti-battle in there. They were fucking loved it, they did. So anyway, but yeah, mole done, job done. I'll get my tea now. Right, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it more than the mole did. You never know, might get another one before I go. Mind you saying that, the car's only there, so I doubt it. Sorted. Stay safe, peeps. Happy whatever you're doing. Hope you all had a nice Easter. Fucking hay fever, something shit. But anyway, sorted. Right, peeps, I'm off. Catch you later. Thanks for having a look.